The park is a great place to have fun doing math with the kids. Mia and Noah are at the park with their mother and their little brother, Nicholas. Look, Mom! I can go all the way! Mom takes the opportunity to draw the twins' attention to the shapes of the hopscotch game. Noah, what is the name of the shape you are on? A rectangle. Oh yes? Why? There are 4 sides. It's true, but there are other shapes that have 4 sides. To know if it is a rectangle, you have to look at the corners. The 4 corners must be the same, and this is the case here. The 4 sides are also the same, like a square. Absolutely. It's a rectangle and a square. And the box at the very end, what is it? A half round. We say half of a circle. In fact, we say semicircle, but you correctly recognized the shape. Recognizing and naming shapes. Knowing how to identify and describe a variety of plane figures is a skill that children will use from the first cycle of elementary school, where they will compare and construct figures formed by closed curved lines and closed broken lines. Yay, a ball! Do you notice anything special on the surface of the ball? There are lots of little black and white shapes. The black shape has 5 sides. Exactly. They are pentagons. What is a pentagon? It is a shape that has 5 sides. Is it the same shape as the red stops? We should check, but first, we have to return the ball to the players. What do you think? Are the 2 the same? The sides are different. This one has 2 standing sides and 2 lying sides. And also 2 sides leaning like this and 2 sides leaning like that. That's 8 sides. And how many sides do pentagons have? 5. Can a pentagon have 8 sides? No, it wouldn't be a pentagon anymore. If a shape has 8 sides, it is said to be an octagon. Let's see if we can find other shapes. Describing shapes. To describe a figure, children must observe its different characteristics and know how to name them. It's also a good way to familiarize children with the vocabulary of geometry. Look, I found a red triangle. I see a bigger one. It's not a real triangle. The ground is not a side. You are right, Noah. To be a triangle, it must have 3 sides. This is a triangle. This looks like a triangle, but one side is missing. Come on, let's draw triangles in the sand. First, let's draw a triangle with 2 equal sides, like the red triangle. You drew it upside down. The tip goes up like this. Yours is upside down. Both are triangles, no matter how they are standing. It doesn't matter which way you look. They're the same triangles, you see? This time, try to draw a triangle with 3 equal sides. Look, Mom, I drew my triangle like Mia's. Yes, now draw a triangle with 3 different sides. Mom, which of our triangles is the correct one? Both have 3 different sides. You both succeeded. The different triangles. Encourage your children to build triangles. Let them experiment with objects of different lengths such as pasta, pencils, and wood sticks. Encourage them to build triangles of all kinds and in various positions. After drawing all sorts of triangles, Mia and Noah decide to build sand cakes. I'm taking the purple bucket. No, it's me. Why do you want this one so badly? Because it makes the biggest cakes. Oh yes? How do you know? Because the purple bucket is this big and the blue one is only this big. Both make equally beautiful cakes. Those made with the purple bucket are taller. Those made with the blue one are wider. But which makes the biggest? To find out, you have to compare the amount of sand that each of the buckets can hold. All right, let's fill the buckets. Look, Mom, both buckets are full. All right, and now, how are you going to compare how much sand each contains? We're going to make mountains to find out which one is bigger. You put sand everywhere. Oops! I wonder if Noah's bucket can hold all the sand in Mia's bucket. Stop, it's full. But there's still sand in my bucket. Which one of the two can hold the most sand? The blue one. The capacity of a container. Children will generally judge the capacity of a container by relying on its height. To prepare children to solve problems, do not hesitate to expose them to complex situations and then encourage them to seek solutions on their own. After a great day of having fun at the park, it's now time to go home. The way back is far from boring. There are so many shapes to discover and all kinds of opportunities to solve problems. After all, math is everywhere.